How to get voice chat on Roblox. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Roblox application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom, you're going to find different options. Tap on the option of More. Now navigate to the option of Settings and then tap on it. Head towards the option of Account Info. And under account info, you're going to find different options. Make sure your email address is verified. After you check that, click on this drop down, then tap on privacy. Now in this page, you're going to find the option of voice chat. If the option is not showing, then what you want to do is click on the drop down again, then go to account info. Now scroll down and verify your age. Make sure you have set your age above 18 years. After setting up your age, tap on verify my age, identity verification. Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. Prepare a valid ID, use a smartphone or scan the QR code. Once you verify your identity, you will be good to go. After you verify your age, head towards the option of privacy. Now in this page, you will be able to find the option of voice chat and simply enable that option. Once you do that, the voice chat has been enabled for your Roblox account. Now you can head towards the Discover page and launch any game, and while you play the game, the voice chat will be enabled. So this is how you can easily get voice chat on Roblox. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.